We have PNP top and great officers here. Brigadier General Bill Francis Trias, sir. And of course, Brigadier General Ronald Lee, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. I don't know kung maniniwala kayo sa akin o hindi. Pero, they are the top leaders in the PNP. Plus, sa level ng education sector, sila na yung nasa chair sa national level. That's why bigla akong nag-late kanina bago gusto ko nang tumakbo. So thank you very much, sir, for your service. They are really the leaders who can pave the way for communities, peace, order, safety, and security. Maniniwala man kayo or hindi, maniwala kayo. Dahil, ito trivia. Naniniwala ba kayo na maraming mabubuting pulis at maraming mabubuting top leaders sa PNP?
Yes! Yes, that's true.
Saka na doon.
Thank you. Dahil baka ano focusan ninyo, yung nakikita lang ninyo at naririnig nyo sa social media, sa TV, sa radyo.
No.
Kakaunting pirasong mga pulis na gumagawa ng kalokohan. Compare sa more than 250,000 policemen, mga 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, may bibilang lang sa kamay yung mga yun. So wag pa rin kayo magbago na paniwalaan ng mga pulis. Huwag pa rin kayo magbago na magtiwala sa pulis.
Amen.
Huwag pa rin kayong magbago na suportahan at tulungan ang mga pulis.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Dahil one of our objective is to make our community peaceful, orderly, safe, and secure.
Amen.
Kahit maraming pera, pag pinatay ka dyan, patay ka na. Tama? Kahit triple pa yung doctorate mo kung hindi kasi wala kang peace of mind. That's why we're encouraging you na pagkatiwalaan kami, mga police, because we accept the reality na without you, the community, we cannot accomplish our mission. Tama ba, sir? Inuulit ko, without the community, without the help and support of the community, hindi namin magagawa ang aming mga mission. To enforce the law, prevent and control crime, maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety and internal security. So please, pagtitiwalaan niyo po kami. Kakaunting pirasong mga pulis lang po yung gumagawa ng kalokohan.
Yes. Yes, that's true.
Thank you. Kaya po nandito kami ngayon. Kami po yung ebidensya na may mabubuting mga pulis.
Amen. That's
Kahit
true.
hindi
That's
natatakot
true.
humarap sa inyo.
Yes.
That's why when I heard na may mga generals na mag-attend dito, masaya talaga. Natakot, masaya, nervous. At na-inspire.
Yan.
Dahil bukod sa kanila na nandito, dahil hindi na ako nag-iisa, may kakampi na ako. Di ba? May kakampi na ako kapag kung anong gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, nasasabi ko na. Para pag hindi ka makinig, sabihin ko kila sir, kayo kung sabi mo. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much po. Na if you will observe, we came from different sectors of the society, different government organizations, di ba? Tama. With different desires, different advocacies, different goals based on our profession. Pero alam niyo ba, through this family, inulit ko, through this family, I believe we can make a difference.
Amen. Yes, I like that.
I believe we can make a positive change in our society
Ay, dala yun.
through this family. Dahil itong pamilya na to, kung hindi niya alam, they wanted us to be united. They wanted to empower us to excel. And of course, they wanted us and encourage us to help each other and complement with each other Regardless kung anong profession meron kayo, let us help each other, let's complement each other. For what? For the fulfillment of a common desire. A common desire. What's that? To serve the humanity in order to build a better society.
Amen. Yes.
So we need to help each other
Yes.
and complement each other regardless kung saan kayong profession. Sabi nga naman kanina, we partner together for one common desire. That is to serve the humanity in order to have a better society. So with that, once again, congratulations po.